Hey everyone, Gilbert here. You know we love our tech, and today we're diving into the world of budget security cameras, specifically those from Dahua. Now get this, Dahua is a giant in the security camera market, often going toe-to-toe with Hikvision. They hold a massive chunk of the global market share, and a lot of that comes down to their really affordable cameras. Yeah, you heard that right. Dahua makes some seriously competitive cameras without breaking the bank. But with so many options out there, how do you know if Dahua's budget offerings are actually any good? Are they cutting corners to hit those low prices? That's what we're here to find out. We'll be looking at their build quality, features, and overall performance to see if they truly offer value for money. So stay tuned as we unbox, set up, and test these cameras to give you the full lowdown on Dahua's budget-friendly options. Let's be real. The world of budget tech can be a minefield. With so many choices out there, it can feel overwhelming to make the right decision. There are tons of brands and models vying for your attention, each promising the moon and the stars. From flashy packaging to bold claims, it's hard to know who to trust. It's easy to get lost in the jargon and spec sheets, wondering if you're actually getting a good deal. Terms like 1080p resolution and night vision can sound impressive, but what do they really mean for you? That's why comparisons are so crucial. By directly comparing features and performance, you can see past the marketing and get to the heart of what matters. By putting these cameras head-to-head, we can cut through the marketing fluff and see what they're really made of. This way, you can make an informed decision based on real-world performance. We'll be looking at everything from image quality and features to build quality and reliability. These are the aspects that truly determine the value of a security camera. We want to know if those budget-friendly prices come with any compromises. Are you sacrificing essential features or durability for a lower price tag? Because let's be honest, nobody wants a security camera that's more trouble than it's worth, right? The goal is to find a balance between cost and quality, ensuring you get the best bang for your buck. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. When it comes to security, everyone wants the best quality without breaking the bank. When people hear budget camera, they often think cheap and cheerful. But is that really the case with Dahua and its competitors? Can you really get good quality at a lower price? Let's dive deeper. One of the biggest concerns is image quality. Are these budget cameras capable of delivering clear, high-definition footage? One of the biggest concerns is image quality. Are these cameras going to deliver grainy footage that's useless for identifying anything? Another worry is reliability. Are these cameras going to deliver grainy footage that's useless for identifying anything? Another worry is reliability. Will they conk out on you after a few months? And what about features? Will they conk out on you after a few months? And what about features? Do budget cameras skimp on things like night vision, motion detection, and weatherproofing? Do budget cameras skimp on things like night vision, motion detection, and weatherproofing? These are all valid concerns, and we'll be tackling them head-on in our comparison. These are all valid concerns, and we'll be tackling them head-on in our comparison. We want to see if Dahua, Hikvision, and Reolink can deliver solid performance without sacrificing the essentials. We want to see if Dahua, Hikvision, and Reolink can deliver solid performance without sacrificing the essentials. Stay tuned as we put these budget-friendly options to the test and find out if they can truly meet your security needs. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. We're going to compare a few popular budget cameras from Dahua, Hikvision, and Reolink, looking at key specs and features. We'll be checking things like resolution, night vision range, field of view, and weather resistance. We'll also dive into extra features like motion detection, two-way audio, and cloud storage options. We want to see which cameras offer the best bang for your buck. This head-to-head comparison will give us a clear picture of how Dahua's offerings stack up against the competition.